You might have found a video on this channel that you like a lot, such as the pronunciation, the present tense, or the preposition videos. But there are so many videos here, so many materials. The moment you open new tabs, you just get overwhelmed. This video will fix that issue. If you click on the first link in the description, you'll get access to the Grammar Curriculum Doc, which is a handy table of contents for everything we have here on YouTube and on Patreon. All materials are organized in what I consider the logical order of studying, and for every level, starting A1, there is or there will be a video that covers the things you need to consider specifically for that level. Like a roadmap, if you may. After watching that, you may press on the YouTube playlist link and get straight to the level playlist on YouTube. Those are all the videos for that level in one course. After that, every Patreon learning material link sends you to that level's particular collection, where you can find all the summaries from the videos and more. The exercises collection is next, and it gives you all the custom exercises for that level's topics. Last but not least, we have recorded classes. For that, you have to click on the Patreon class link, and that will send you to the place where we go through all the videos, learning materials, exercises, and starting from the demonstrative video through the listening and reading activities tailored for that topic. In addition, we have more listening and reading activities for each level if you click the top titles. If you are wondering now how to get access to the Patreon content, all you have to do is join under the level you want. Or if you want access to all materials at once, join us on all levels member.
Also on Patreon you can get materials on the go. If you check out the shop section, here you can buy materials without committing to a monthly membership. The best creation so far is the Language Roadmap, a visual guide for how we here at the Romanian Academy see language learning.
Some of these videos and materials are a bit old school, so some of them will go through a little bit of an update or remake. Like the recent prepositions video, which is a quick guide for the longer masterclass. Don't forget, this guide is solely if you want a structured, self-study approach, going through every single topic in an orderly manner. You also have the more advanced option to go through every grammar topics playlist on YouTube. Or if you want, you can join us for group classes or courses. More details on the website romanianacademy.com. If you appreciate what we do here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and hype this video, and join as a member for exclusive videos as well as stickers. I'll see you in the next one. Arrivederci.